Hello everyone, add a touch of love and creativity to your Xmas this year with our handmade ornaments crafted from simple ice cream sticks and many more. Each piece is designed with care, turning everyday materials into magical holiday decoration. From sparkling stars to tiny Christmas tree, every ornament brings joy, warmth, and a personal touch to your festive celebrations, perfect for decorating your tree, gifting loved ones, or even inspiring your kids to explore creativity. Eco friendly, affordable, and full of holiday spirit. These handmade ice cream sticks ornaments are not just decoration, they are memories waiting to be made. Like home hanging decoration. So mostly use ice cream sticks and many more like cover and wooden something like that. Make your Xmas tree shine with something truly unique this season. Handmade with love, handmade house just for you. So these designs is made by loved and care. Hope you like that all designs. Don't forget to subscribe. We applied something for house. After that you can put small plants like that, and you can make curtain like that with fabricated material, and all things we can use. So each stars, each snowflake, and each little tree, each house is carefully crafted with love, turning something ordinary into something extraordinary. These ornaments and house are eco-friendly, affordable, and full of holiday spirits. Kids also making with very happily. Bring warmth to your home, inspire creativity to your kids, and share the joy of handmade art this Xmas. Because the best decoration are not bought, they are made with heart. The Xmas decorative style and creativity of our handmade ornaments made from ice cream sticks are the perfect way to add a personal eco-friendly touch to your holiday season. Beautiful stars, cute snowflakes, mini Xmas trees, mini house, ice cream sticks made houses, all crafted with care and love. These ornaments are not only affordable, very creative, very interesting. You can made with your kids these designs very happily, and this is a very cute activity. This is a very healthy activity for your family. Family make this together and spend time together, very beautiful time, very memorable time. It's gonna be very beautiful vibe. Turn your Xmas festival into a gallery of handmade beauty like house, hanging wall decoration ideas. Order your today or get inspired to create your own with these unique designs, handmade love designed to shine. You can grow your business with it. You can make a small business with it. Who knew ice cream sticks could be this magical? This Xmas we have informed them into beautiful ornaments, sparkling stars, cozy houses, tiny trees, and more. It's a perfect holiday DIY, eco-friendly, simple, and full of festive fun. Whether you hang them on your trees or wall, use them as gift toppers, or share them with loved ones. These handmade ornaments bring a touch of creativity to every corner of your home. Make your Xmas tree not just decorated the meaningful but meaningful. Handmade is ice cream sticks ornament because Xmas is best when it's made love with. Hope you like their designs and ideas. Hope you enjoy this video. So if you get best ideas, if you get designs, beautiful designs, so follow for more. Don't forget to subscribe, getting best ideas from this season, this upcoming season. So don't follow to subscribe my channel and leave your comment. in the comment section and tell me about that. What do you want to watch in our videos? We will try to upload according to your demand.